Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into an absolute beast of a gaming desktop, the HP OMEN 45L Gaming. With its powerhouse specs and sleek design, this PC is ready to take on even the most demanding games and creative tasks. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about memory. This thing has an insane amount of RAM. We're talking 128 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Now, you might be thinking, what does that mean? Well, it means you can have multiple applications open at the same time, like your web browser, Photoshop, and Discord, all running smoothly and without any lag. That's because DDR5 RAM is faster and more efficient than its predecessors, allowing for seamless multitasking. But what really sets this PC apart is its storage. We're looking at a whopping 4 terabytes PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive here. That means you'll be able to boot up your system in seconds, load games instantly, and transfer files faster than ever before. Imagine being able to jump straight into the game without waiting for it to load. That's what this PC can do. Now, let's talk about the brain of this operation. Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor. This guy is a real powerhouse, folks. With 16 cores and 16 threads, you'll be able to tackle even the most complex tasks with ease. And with its 36 megabytes L3 cache, you can expect incredible performance in games like Assassin's Creed and Fortnite. But here's the thing. What does Intel Core Ultra 9 mean? Simply put, it means this processor is designed for gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and professional graphic design software like Adobe Creative Cloud. But cooling is a major concern when it comes to powerful PCs like this one. Luckily, HP has got you covered with their patented Coolong Extreme Performance System. Essentially, this unique chamber helps keep your system running cool even under intense loads. And the best part? It's designed for easy tool-less upgradability, so you can swap out components as needed without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about ports and connectivity. This PC has got it all. 10 USB Type-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, including one that supports speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, an HDMI port, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth. That means you can connect your keyboard, mouse, headset, and monitor with ease, and stay connected to the world without any issues. Last but certainly not least, we have Windows 11 Pro. This operating system is designed for productivity, collaboration, and gaming, and this PC takes full advantage of its features. With pre-configured layouts for open apps, intuitive navigation, and collaboration tools galore, you'll be able to stay on top of your work and play without any hassle. So there you have it, folks. The HP OMEN 45L Gaming is an absolute beast of a PC that's ready to take on anything you throw at it. Want to get your hands on this powerful machine for yourself? Click the link below to check out the best price. I've got a special deal waiting for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and content.